Okay, this is the May 21st core team meeting. The first item on the agenda is the staged RFCs, stage design, whatever we call it, Nico.
I just dropped a link to a draft RFC. I would say it's about 80% complete for the playing team process thing that I've been talking about. So people can check it out. There's also a recording from the video online if you feel like watching people talk. But we're working on, I discovered that Zoom will create VTT files, which are like transcript files, and somebody's hopefully making a tool to make those into a nice to read format so that we can have transcripts dumped, which I think would be cool. Kind of independent from the rest of this, but effort to create more minutes with less people typing. Although we've already found some hilarious mistranscriptions, but that's okay. That's part of the fun.
Okay, any action or next steps that we need to do or be aware of for this?
I don't think so. If you feel inclined, read it and let me know what you think. There's a Zulip topic also if you want to dump comments there. I hope we can open it as an RFC soonish though.
Okay, for the legal issues, Florian's not here, but I do want to cover the IRLO forums. Have you heard anything, Nico?
I totally failed to follow up last week. I just remembered that. I will put that, try to do it this time.
Okay, Florian's not here for the white papers. Anything on the target tier policy RFC?
No updates here.
Okay, anything else for the public part of the meeting?
Actually, there's a slight update.
Oh.
It's sort of tangentially related. On the one thing we've been working to do on the compiler team is to create a Windows group, which would, to start, I think, just be one of these notification groups that we can ping with like a bunch of names that get pinged when we have Windows issues and would like advice. But it could eventually, I'm hoping that it will also become, might eventually evolve into something that like tries to go out and proactively improve the experience for Windows tooling. And I think the main thing I would like to see on the target tier RFC, I guess, is that we try to make groups like this for each of our targets, because it's always a real pain when we get some PR that's like reporting a bug or a fix in some target that none of us use and we don't really know what's happening, and would like to have on record an easy way to say, okay, here's the people who should look at this. There is also a pending request. I think it's from Illumos. I just remembered. I sort of forgot about it. To do something, which I'd like to act on that request. I think we should accept it.
It's add support to the compiler for the platform is my understanding of where that is at. I haven't actually read the pull request recently.
Yeah, like they want to actually get to tier 2, so actually getting the builds on Illumos compiling.
Okay. I feel like we should support them in that, but we can discuss it, probably better discussed in Zulip.
Please CC me on those discussions. Thanks.
Okay.
Anything else for the public part of the meeting? Okay.